usually buy there, babe. Quarter case grapes, quarter case bananas, quarter case apples, quarter case oranges, and sometimes we buy plantains as well, right? Because we found out that it's much cheaper to buy it at Progressive than in the supermarket, but sometimes we lazy and we pick it up at the supermarket. But this week we're heading to Progressive and then we're going to Price Right. I saw you. And then Foster's, right? So stay tuned, guys. Subscription button, like, share, and comment. So guys, Obi went ahead. This bill, hey, came up to 74 Cayman dollars, guys. 74 Cayman dollars. So baby buy my grapes them, and this a quarter case grape. And usually for quarter case grapes, guys, we get 2 bags of grape, right? Quarter case oranges. It's about 25 oranges, guys, and sweet and nice. Yeah, so. And buy some cow food because the must cook it nice and lovely the last time we missed it. And buy some salt fish, and we got that one for $5.49. Oh, baby buy 50 pounds of plantain, people. No stuff. Leo, the plantain no look nice. You need to stop by the people that car buying plantain, you know, be. And then buy some apples. Nice, luscious red apples. And this is about 30 apple pieces. Turn?
No, they're not look young.
They're not young. Alright, let's see now. So yes, guys. So guys, we're heading into Price Right right now. See what we can get. I get this. Alright, so guys, I get the trolley. Maybe take up 2 cups of water. Already add 1. Assume. Sorry. We can't take this down. Guys, the girl have to start drink up her inshore. This way, bye. I good flavor this I saw one. Alright. Zoom zoom. So biggest one then, guys, $16.70 to one person. you come. Take up 2. Baby has the bread. And we eat wheat bread. We've gone for the eggs. Alright. Just snacks, I think. What else we're buying here, so? Huh? Snacks? Pick up 2 snacks if we can find them. Remember the last time they never have. But them a sell this with all different type of pepper, something to burn out my chest beef. Don't want the banana chips. Oh. Alright. Find the plantain chip. Yes, my soul dancer people. Yes, a big foot bee. I took a big foot for Papa. My soul dancer and Carol Bigfoot. Not the peppery one. Sorry. Oh, good. Wait! Normal one. Yeah. But I already have. Nature Valley for 1 big case on a pullet. No need for Nature Valley this month. And I think these are all of the snacks we want, don't they? In here at least. So guys, this is supermarket number 3. Heading to Foster's now. Yes guys. So usually guys, sometimes we would just go and take up some fruits. We already did that already. So we're just going to take up a melon. You want melon, babe? You go choose it later? Just take up. You have a good luck with the melon, let me know, Leo. From where there, baby, take up some sweet melon, you see? Didn't say? I not know. I say $1.29. Not a pound or the ones. See, and these bananas are huge. So, fortunately we can't have no banana tonight. Cairo can't have any later because I love bananas. Call them Nana. Because them turn and they're not going to be ready. Unless we put them in the oven. But them banana are big. Okay, how are these? A plantain? Alright, so we just have to take out one arm. The next step is to get some tomatoes. They usually take out something in it. And kind of tight to the with sweetie pie. Drop a stick on it. And sweetie pie not neutrally people. Babe, how much tomato you usually take out? 6? I doesn't by weight we take up by oh they look. When I see where them like just I go feel and take up they look nice and firm and pretty. Last time we took out some nice bananas. Leo? Alright, so I'm going for my plant. My potatoes. Yeah, that's okay. Potatoes. Okay, if we choose the right banana. Banana them, I find like them. Nice bananas. You know, if we choose good banana, I would not take out none this morning. Alright, so we'll be saying no banana people. Alright, so I'm gonna take up some time. Girl need our touchy. Peppers look so nice this morning. One thing we don't put with guys is a sweet pepper. You're not gonna catch me picking up sweet peppers. And then says Scotch bonnet, $11. Nearly $12. Alright, but again, Scotch bonnet light. Try to put my bag. Them Scotch bonnet look so nice, guys. I'm not telling you lies. I'm not if I take out much, to be honest. Yeah? I think this is good enough. I don't look so nice. Now, I could be cooking with less pepper because of my heartburn. Out about my people. Alright, so lettuce is almost. Sorry. No carrots this month. One big bag of carrots when I put it on. So no carrots. But I'm going to take up another cabbage. So guys, usually would be me and Obi, you know, but baby guys got down, so sleeping, so Obi had to be holding him. So I already have carrots at home. So I'm gonna just take up a head of cabbage because I already have one cabbage at home myself. Mom, I never see them pepper here. More pepper. The pepper they want me so one second. But them pepper still look worthless too. Just to take up 2 more. We have done something I don't remember. Let me just take out one. $2.59. I think we have a head of ginger already, you know. So I'm gonna take out one more. We usually use a lot of ginger, but since baby, I'm not use as much. Again, just to mix up my fun. $3.29 a bowl. Right? Pick up one more. So I'm going down this side because your girl love make our bologna sandwich. So I'm looking for my bologna or salami. Anyone will do, as long as it's not that dear. Right. 349. Alright. Alright, so guys, this aisle, you know your girl have to take up our chocolate. But more was the one with the nuts. $59. Need something sweet and sour. These. Guys, time to take up what I call my riff raff. No disrespect. I really love my turkey neck, guys, but I just call it riff raff meat. But not get it wrong, turkey neck a good meat here. So your girl taking up some turkey neck. This parcel alone for $3.80. Right? And I'm taking up two. Good to go. And guys, we just take up a few more snacks. Remember, we take up snacks from Price Right, so we don't have much snacks as yet. And we take up a few more items, you know. Let's go. Come Aki there. Then I pick Aki and I roast the food. Guys, I saw a friend and I was asking him where my Aki was because I saw him on social media roasting breadfruit and saying that he was cooking Aki. And you all know, guys, that Aki was my craving when I was pregnant. So I gotta take up 12 of this because I have to make for rich people. Sweetie Kai. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we're gonna take up 6 milk over cashew-less. We forgot carrot juice and milk. I'm gonna try Sweetie Kai on these. So guys, this is what the trolley look like. Now take up some more stuff, some macaroni, some coconut milk, some, you know, some more stuff. Right now I'm heading to take up some yogurts. Your girl have to get some yogurts. Let me see. Love the strawberry fruit. So I'm gonna take up some yogurts. 99 cents, $1 for one yogurt, guys. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in with the We Are Young family. We went ahead and collected a couple more items before cashing out. So guys, our grocery bill in total came up to about $600 US. So guys, we had to visit the supermarket 2 more times throughout the course of the month to last out for the month, guys. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye guys.